I toured around the Alta perimeter today for just 2 or 3 hours. Went up to the top of Honeycomb to start out with, and here heading up Grizzly Gulch, you can see one typical soft slab avalanche of several that were out there. This is on a steep 40-45 degree north facing slope. Looks like it was triggered by a cornice fall from above. Perhaps somebody kicked the cornice or it came down naturally. About a foot deep, 70 feet wide where it fanned out, and it's pretty typical of what's out there. About a foot of snow, and the wind blew pretty hard from the west and the northwest, created quite a few wind slabs everywhere. They settled out pretty quickly because it was so warm and the underlying snow was so wet and warm as well, but they were just running on the underlying snow, which was harder and firmer than, of course, the new powder that came in. Avalanche control work at Alta was getting lots of things on the backside today. Pretty widespread, and doing lots of shooting up there, running about half track, and same kind of deal, about a foot deep, pretty sensitive, and quite widespread, as you can see. But lots of the resorts were pounding it today, bringing it down. And here's another little test slope on the way up to Cardiff Peak. A friend of mine ski cut this and ski cut it off intentionally, and it ran down quite a ways. So some of them do have a little bit more oomph to them, but this is a pretty good test slope. He also jumped on this one on Cardiff Peak. There was ski tracks in there, and then he saw the little wind pocket and just jumped on it. He knew it was going to go. He wasn't caught in it or anything. It was just intentionally triggered. But yeah, they do go down quite a ways.